Hello viewer, welcome back. It's another bad day and another bad haircut. Does great customer service still exist in 2024? Let's get inside out of this beautiful Cornish rain and I'll tell you what's happened and you can decide for yourself. So this is the item in question, not the loco, the bit underneath, my rolling road. I haven't had this very long, but since I have bought it, I've used it extensively, not only on my own loco fleet, but also on locos that friends and clients have bought or sent to me, asking me if they can be sorted out. And it really is a great little bit of kit. But what happened to it? Where does the great customer service come in? Well, I put this away in the top of my toolbox and then casually, and I have to confess, stupidly, threw something else on top of it, and I actually broke one of the plastic ends that holds the whole assembly together. There's two, of course, one at each end, and I broke one of these. My fault, entirely my fault, and I was willing to purchase an entirely new item. I went to the internet site where I bought this from, and they were out of stock, so I messaged the retailer explaining what had happened and said, if you get any more when they come into stock, put one aside, I'll pay for it, full retail cost, no questions asked, my fault. I got a message back from the retailer and they explained that they would repair what I had left if I sent it to them. A few emails and exchanges later, I said, there's really no need, it's my fault, but this is what has happened, what I've done to it. And they sent me absolutely free of charge a whole load of plastic ends. I think there were 4 or 6, I can't remember now, and I only actually needed one, and they did this for me free of charge. And not only free of charge, they paid the postage. I explained it really wasn't necessary, and I was perfectly willing to pay for what had happened, what had gone wrong, because it was my fault. But nonetheless, tremendous customer service. So who was the retailer? I am, of course, extremely grateful to Mark and the whole team at Horns Whistles Workshop. I have to say there's nothing in this for me. There's no trade deal, no trade agreement, affiliation link or anything like that. I simply wanted to make a video that pointed out that great customer service is still out there. I cannot stress enough the value of having relationships with your local model shops, your local dealers. You can, of course, buy anything from anywhere in the world in this modern day and age. But just spare a minute and think about where best to spend your money, because without the cooperation of Mark and his team, I really would have spent a great deal more money than I really needed to on a replacement rolling road. I wish this video had been more interesting for you to look at, but it really does matter to me. There is a lot of negativity on YouTube at the moment, in particular the model railway and modelling community, for various reasons. There is still some good stuff out there. That about wraps this one up. I hope Mark's watched this video or will be watching it, and they do a load of stuff. Go and have a look. Go and have a look. You will find links to their eBay page and their YouTube channel in the description for this video. That's it for this one, and we will see you next time at St Blasey Model World. Bye-bye for now. Well, despite the bad haircut and the poor atmosphere in the background due to our Cornish summer, if you like what you've seen in this video, or if you want to know any more about scale model making, please do hit the subscribe button, select all from the notifications bell, and you'll never miss another video from St Blasey Model World. Bye for now. Take care. Bye-bye.